In today's video, I'll teach you how to create Hireup account. First of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here, I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in this link app.hireup.com.au/registration. Press enter. Now once you do that, you'll be led to the registration interface of Hireup. You can see the question over here, why are you joining Hireup? You'll be able to find two options, get support, find work. Click on the option of your choice. Now after you do that, you can see over here, you'll be able to register for the Hireup account. What you have to do is simply enter these informations that you can see right over here on your screen. So first of all, what you have to do is enter your first name. Click on the field of first name and enter the first name over here. Likewise, enter the last name. Now what you have to do is enter the email address. After you do that, also confirm your email. Simply re-enter your email address over here. Now what you have to do is enter your mobile phone number. Make sure to provide the correct phone number. Now once you do that, click on the field of password and create a password for yourself. Make sure to create a very strong password for yourself. Your password must have minimum of 12 characters. Now what you have to do is confirm the password. Simply re-enter the password over here and scroll down. Now also enter the postcode. Now you'll be able to see this question, how did you hear about us? Simply click on this field. Now what you have to do is simply click on the option of your choice. Now once you do that, what you have to do is check on this box that you can see on the screen. You're basically agreeing that you're over 18 years of age and have read and agree with Hireup's privacy policy. Now after you provide all the informations, click on the register option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Now what you have to do is simply log into your account. Click on the field of login to continue. Now simply provide your email address and password over here. After you do that, click on this option login that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here your Hireup account has been created. You'll have to complete the following stages in order to join the community of Hireup support workers. If you want to join the community of Hireup support workers, first of all, you'll have to set up your work preferences. After you do that, verify your eligibility. Also complete your worker profile and sign your employment contract. After that, you'll be able to join the community of Hireup support workers. This is only necessary if you want to join the community. Otherwise, your account has already been created. So that is how you create Hireup account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.